yourself a little bit high.
Incredible mind and body benefits of Korean ginseng. Among them, Korean ginseng is considered the king of herbs, with abode of extraordinary restoration. Six-year-old Korean purple ginseng is the most effective and desirable ginseng for purposeful. Fitness functions and is often sold at a better price through the means of major manufacturers. Korean ginseng provides considerable benefits now not only for your physical fitness, but also for your intellectual fitness. Here are some of the amazing benefits of this natural remedy on your mind and body. Combats virus infections. Research suggests that ginseng may have the potential to play an adaptogen role. 2. Lowers cholesterol and blood sugar. Panax ginseng's regulatory effects on the immune system have been studied in Western herbal medicine. To find potential effectiveness in protecting against colds, flu, and some forms of cancer. Korean ginseng has been found to reduce cholesterol and blood sugar levels in clinical studies. Therefore, the herb can help in the treatment of high cholesterol and type 2 diabetes. 3. Slows aging. Korean red ginseng, Asian ginseng grown in Korea and then steamed and dried. Contains anti-aging properties such as antioxidants and insulin-like substances that are not available in other types of ginseng. 4. Protects from cancer. This herb consists of anti-tumor properties and offers protection against several types of cancer such as stomach, ovarian, pancreatic, liver and lung cancer. Smokers who consume ginseng have a lower risk of developing common cancers associated with smoking compared to smokers who do not consume it. Ginseng also offers better outcomes for patients with breast cancer. 5. Increase strength, endurance and energy. One of the most well-known health benefits of ginseng is that it boosts energy. Potions have been used to increase stamina and strength for hundreds of years. Korean ginseng is beneficial for healthy individuals looking to improve their physical. Performance as well as those dealing with disease-based fatigue. 6. Lowers stress. Ginseng is used to relax and stimulate the nervous system. The herb improves capillary circulation in the brain and reduces the effects of stress. 7. Improve mental performance and memory. Ginseng serves as a protector and brain booster. Herbal remedies can improve your mental performance and concentration abilities. Because it is an antioxidant, this herb protects vulnerable brain cells from free radical damage. In addition, it prevents memory loss and protects against age-related mental decline. 8. Improve mental well-being and mood. Korean ginseng produces a relaxed yet alert state of mind, much like what you experience after drinking green tea. Ginseng benefits better energy and increased overall well-being, better sleep, better sex life, and increased personal satisfaction. 9. Assists in the cessation of the habit. To reduce depression and anxiety that occur during withdrawal from different addictive substances, from nicotine to morphine. 10. Improves sexual function. For a long time, ginseng has been used to improve sexual function and libido in both men and women. In traditional Chinese medicine, this herb is considered an aphrodisiac and is used to restore sexual function in men. Korean red ginseng has been especially helpful for men with erectile dysfunction. And the herb has been helpful in about 60% of cases. Women can benefit from the herb for unwanted menopause symptoms, such as fatigue, insomnia, anxiety, depression, and low libido. The key to ginseng's use as a sexual health supporting herb is its ability to combat stress. Promote healthy blood circulation in both men and women, and its contribution to stamina.